Welcome to Mirage Bus Terminal. Hope you enjoy traveling through this terminal as well.
Yes, miss, is like that. All the terminals of this city give the best service to their passengers.
Bus camera change.
Hello passengers, hope you have enjoyed all the journeys you have taken. Today you will be traveling by bus from Mirage Terminal to FR Studio. Hope you enjoy the journey. Thank you. Please turn on the AC. Okay, sir.
Sir, your drive is very good.
I'm so glad you like my drive.
Sir, it's been a lot of fun traveling with you somewhere we're not going to reach.
Yes, miss, we are about to arrive.